What's up, creatives, and welcome to another Romeo show. We have got your art therapy session sorted out for you this evening. We are going to be drawing another animal Zentangle. Today we're doing a very cool unicorn today. So what are we waiting for, folks? Let's roll the intro. What's up, everybody? How is everyone doing? Hope you've had a good week and a good weekend. If you're new to the show, my name is Romeo. I am a life coach and sketch artist. I create art therapy videos on a Tuesday and Wednesday, and I create people's portraits for them, either themselves, family members, or their pets, cats, dogs, whichever pet they would like to be drawn. I draw it to photorealism using graphite pencil. My art therapy videos are either Zentangle patterns or Mandala drawings. My latest ones that I've been doing on a Wednesday are Mandala petal drawings. They are very good tutorials if you want to be getting into drawing mandalas. These tutorials were going to help you to draw your own mandalas. We were drawing them on reference sheet papers onto grid paper. We're drawing a series of petals and then keeping those as references for when we do our for when you create a mandala drawing. And so the types of petals that we've been doing so far are these types here. So you can see we're doing them on grid paper, various different patterns on separate sheets, and keep those for when you do create your own mandala. Then you can then copy any of the pictures, any of the designs that you've already created. I did a live stream when I was on Friday just gone, when I was drawing from my How to Draw a Mandala book. I drew this mandala right here. We drew this one using our reference sheets. We drew this one. So I'm going to be doing this a little bit more often now as well. I'm going to do this a lot more often now, doing a lot more streams. So I'm doing another one this Friday, 8 o'clock. Come along and join me. Is it 8 o'clock? Yes, 8 o'clock. I'm going to draw from this book again, and we're going to be doing drawing from some more of these petals that we've already drawn. I'm going to be doing another tutorial this Wednesday on another sheet, so you can come along, follow along to that. But this Friday, again, we're doing another live session where you can follow along while I'm drawing from this book. If you've got this book, you can pick it up from the Amazon store, link in the description. If you want to pick up this book, if you got this book anyway, come along and you can follow along with me as well, drawing from the same book, because I'm going to be drawing exactly what I did here with the same blank mandala. If you haven't got the book, you can download there's a link. I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you can go to my website and you can download a free copy of just a sheet. You can download that, print it off, and then you can draw along with me on Friday session. This Friday on YouTube, live streaming mandala drawings, 8 o'clock, be there. I absolutely loved doing that live stream. I did. It was such a cool experience to do. Love getting into their interactions with the people that were commenting, things like that. It's a really good. I like to talk anyway. It was a great way of communicating with other people, listening, seeing what they're, listening to their, reading their questions, things like that. So I'm definitely want to be doing more of that. Plus, I want to be doing more. I want to be getting on to doing a live on TikTok. Now, I've been on TikTok not long now, a little bit now, been on TikTok a while now. You need to get 1,000 followers to start going live on there. So if you're watching this and you're on TikTok, hit me up, Romeo Sketches, and start following me, and then I'll start doing some lives on there as well. I'll be doing some more mandala drawing lives on there. They're going to be small little mandalas, small little drawings, little bits and pieces, getting more interaction with people, getting the channel sort of up, getting the channel up there, and getting myself and the channel and the things that I do noticed. I also been on TikTok as well, and some of the lives that I've seen on there are absolutely pathetic. I mean, I have no idea what is going on with some of these people, and they're doing these lives. It's boring. It's like, well, why? So if people are going to be sitting there watching, at least with myself, I'll be bringing actual content, some proper stuff, proper video, proper things for you to look at, follow along with, answer questions, and interaction with it, not just sitting around, picking my nose, talking a load of what I've seen a lot of people, talking a load of rubbish that I've seen a lot of people doing on there. And you know what? If these people can do it and get over 1,000 followers and get on lives and doing this, I said the word again, doing that rubbish, I'm pretty sure that, you know, some people are going to be out there, they're going to be interested to see some of the drawings that I'm going to be doing and some of the sketches and things like that. So that is my next thing I want to be doing as well, is going live on TikTok as well. So that's the next project that I'm sort of building up to creating and doing as well. So I'll be over on TikTok as well. I won't be doing any dancing or singing. I might do, but we'll see. But at the moment, it is just all drawing and things like that. But we'll see about other bits and pieces. Moving on to today's, if I can find it. Moving on to today's Zentangle pattern. We are drawing a very cool unicorn. Drawing this very colourful unicorn. All you're going to need, pen, pencil, piece of paper, colouring pens or colouring pencil, and a ruler. So what are you waiting for, folks? Let's roll the intro. No. So what are we waiting for, folks? Let's roll the video. And how was that video for you guys? Hope you enjoyed it. Give us a like if you did. Hit us up with a couple of comments if you want to see any other type of drawings, or are you struggling with drawing or anything like that, or if you want to have a one-on-one session with me, you know, you want to develop some skills, you want to have a Zoom call, Zoom chat with me, or anything like that. If things are troubling you or anything, you can email me at romeo@romeosketches.co.uk, or you can contact me, DM me on any of my social medias, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, any of those things you can hit me up with, and I will reply back to you and we can sort something out. And that's the end of the show, folks. Thank you all again for watching, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, click that bell, and turn on notifications so you know when I upload a new video. My name is Romeo, this is Romeo Sketches, signing off. Peace out.